Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How much protein do you really need per day? Key takeaways. The current USDA guidance recommends that adults consume 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, nearly double the previous minimum. Protein needs vary based on factors such as age, physical activity, pregnancy, and health conditions. Consultation with a healthcare provider is recommended for specific recommendations. Protein is an essential nutrient that helps build and repair cells, and supports growth and development. Most adults should get 10 to 35% of their daily calories from protein. Factors that influence protein needs include physical activity, age, health goals, medical conditions, and pregnancy status. Eating too much protein can lead to symptoms like dehydration, digestive discomfort, and fatigue, but a higher protein diet has not been shown to have negative effects on the heart. Insufficient protein intake can lead to problems with hair, skin, nails, increased appetite, risk of infections, mood changes, and muscle weakness. Incorporating protein-rich foods like beans, nuts, lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and soy products can help meet daily protein needs. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.